We are currently here on scene at GW Carver Middle School, where there is an active scene of this fire. Crews have been on scene since 1 this morning and are continuing to put out active flames and will remain on scene for what.
So I got a call from Mr. Bearfield at about 2:30 is when I heard the call. But I looked at the phone and saw that it was him, and I immediately knew something was wrong. And he said, "Doc, the school is burning." And I'm like, "Elijah, it's 2:30 in the morning. Please, no games." "Doc, I'm serious. The school is on fire." I guess in that moment I felt empty, kind of defeated. Not scared, or just, what do we do now? You know?
We have had an amazing outpouring of love and support from the community, not just the Carver community as we expected, but from all over Waco, all over the state. We've had people making donations and sending prayers and sending words of encouragement and letting us know that we're not alone. That has been a wonderful help to all of us.
That evening at the fire, I had a pack of pencils to my name, and then within, a week, I had my whole classroom almost rebrought. And with the other teachers as well, the stories that they've been sharing with me is they'd come home and their whole porch had been covered in Amazon boxes, Walmart gift cards. It definitely brought tears to my eyes, and just made me so thankful for the community in Waco.
I had people calling me to say, "Hey, how can we help? What can we do? We want you to know that we're here to support you." Churches, organizations, individuals. I mean, a lot of people have really wanted to rebuild or rekindle that environment that is conducive for children to learn.
I can't stress enough how supported our team and our teachers, our staff, our administrators and students have felt through this process. $10, $20, $30 gift card, all the way up to the thousands of dollars that we've received from organizations like the Magnolia Foundation, the Cooper Foundation, and T-Mobile, who just called us one day and said, "Listen, we've given $25,000 to the teacher wish list, but we want to know, what else can we do? How can we support the students? How can we support the families?" It's a hard time for schools right now. The pandemic has put challenges in front of us like none we've seen before. Teachers are stretched to their limits. The fire and the response to the fire was a reminder that Waco is behind our schools. Our community supports our schools.
As I watched it burn, my thought was, it's gonna be so much better than it used to be. When they rebuild it, it'll be modern. It'll have the modern technology. It'll be safer.
I think a lot of people were devastated, but the spirit of the school itself still remains in the community.
It's alive in the memories of the alumni and the people in the community. It's alive in the heart of the staff, and it's alive in the people that are the students.